Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm creating this stunning performance gauge chart in Excel that gives us the ratings for very poor, fair, good, and excellent based on percentage. This chart looks complex, but once you follow the steps, you'll see how simple and exciting it actually is. This will be a fun learning experience, so make sure to watch till the end, hit like, share it with others, and do comment. Let's get started. Now I have this Excel sheet ready with the data showing category and value like poor, good, etc. I also have the pointer data with actual score percentage, needle data, and the remainder data. Start by entering the values for each segment. For very poor, type 20%. Then drag the value down until excellent, so each segment is 20%. For the maximum, type 100%. Now move to the pointer data range. For score type equal, then select this merged cell P10 where the actual percentage will be entered. For needle, type 1%. For remainder, type the formula equal, sum, open parenthesis, select all the values from very poor to maximum. Close the parenthesis, minus, sum, open parenthesis, select score and needle, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Now you can see the result shows remainder percentage. When you type any percentage in cell P10, the score and remainder will adjust automatically. If you highlight score, needle, and remainder, the sum at the bottom will show 200%, which is same total value as in categories. Now go to page layout. Under themes, open colors, and choose the paper color set. Then go to effects and select glossy effect. These theme settings will help the chart look more polished and professional once we insert shapes and charts. Next, select this data range. Go to the Home tab. Under Fill Color, choose Lavender Lighter 60%. This creates a clean background for the gauge chart and makes the dashboard more presentable. Now go to the Insert tab. Open Shapes and choose the speech bubble rectangle with rounded corners. Draw it on the dashboard like this and adjust its placement. Under Theme Styles, choose Intense Effect, Lavender. Now type the title and categories with color codes into this shape along with emojis to make it visually appealing. Increase the size slightly to make it readable. Go to Insert tab again. Open Shapes and select the same speech bubble shape. Draw it like this and adjust its placement. And apply the same Intense Effect Lavender theme style. This will hold the rating text along with star emoji. Then middle align the text. Select the percentage cell. Apply lavender fill. Then go to Insert. Open Shapes and choose Rounded Rectangle. Draw it over cell P10. Go to Shape Fill and choose No Fill. Set the outline to lavender. Resize it so it fits the cell perfectly. Now select all three shapes by holding Ctrl key. Under Shape Format, open Shape Effects, choose Shadow, and select Offset Right for a clean, professional finish. For the percentage frame, again go to Shape Effects, then Glow, and choose Glow 8, Lavender. Then select the percentage cell, and under Home tab, set the font size to 20, and font color to Lavender Darker 50%. Now select the category and value range including maximum. Go to Insert tab. Under Charts, choose Donut Chart. From the chart styles, Select Style 7. Click inside the donut segments. Go to Format. Open Shape Effects, then Bevel, and choose Angle. Then open Shape Effects again. Select Preset and choose Preset 4. Remove the title and Legend. Click the border of the chart. Go to Shape Fill and select No Fill. Move the chart slightly to the center. Now click inside the donut chart. On the right panel under Series Options, set the angle of first slice to 270 degrees and reduce the donut hole to 70%. Select the max segment again. Right-click, choose Fill, and set it to No Fill. Also remove the outline. Under Effects, choose Shadow, then select Presets, and set to No Shadow. Now the upper half becomes gauge area. Next, let's apply colors to each segment based on each category. Click the first segment for Very Poor. On the right side, go to Fill, choose Gradient. Then select Preset Gradients and select Radial Gradient Accent 4. For the second segment, repeat the same and choose Radial Gradient Accent 3. For the third segment, choose Radial Gradient Accent 5. For the fourth segment, choose the Radial Gradient Accent 6. For the last segment, choose Radial Gradient Accent 1 in green. Resize the chart slightly to fit it within the available space. Next, select cell S8. Type this formula that checks the percentage in P10 and returns the status text with the correct emoji. If P10 is less than or equal to 20%, show Very Poor with emoji. If less than or equal to 40, show Poor, then Fair, then Good, and finally Excellent. Press Enter. Change the percentage to test it. You will see the status updating automatically. Now select the pointer data, including score, needle, and remainder. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Select the existing donut chart. Click the outer edge to select the full chart, not the segments. Then press Ctrl+V to paste it. Now we have a new donut chart appearing on top. Right-click this new chart. Choose Change Series Chart Type. In Combo, change pointer data to pie chart and check secondary axis. Then hit OK. Now, select the remainder pie segment. Right-click. Set Fill to No Fill and Outline to No Outline. Repeat this for the score segment by choosing No Fill and No Outline, leaving only the 1% needle segment visible. Select the whole pie chart. Under Format Data Series, remove Shadows. Now, to align needle with the actual percentage, navigate to Series Options. Then set the angle of first slice to 270 degrees as well. The needle now aligns with the actual percentage. If we change the score value, the needle instantly shifts to the exact position on the gauge, making the whole chart look clean, precise, and perfect. Now go to Insert. Open Shapes and choose Thought Bubble Cloud Callout. Draw it below the gauge chart needle. Drag the yellow handle to position the pointer of the cloud exactly under the needle. Under Theme Style, apply the same lavender style. Adjust the size as needed. Then go to Shape Effects and Undershadow. Choose Perspective Upper Left. Select the cloud shape. Then in formula bar type equal and select cell S8 and press enter. Under the Home tab, middle align and center align the text. Change text color to white and set the font size to 14. Finally, select the category, value, and pointer data. Go to font color and set it to match the background so the data becomes invisible. Next, go to Insert tab. From Shapes, choose Rectangle top corners rounded and draw it around the whole dashboard. Set Shape Fill to No Fill and Outline to Lavender. Under Shape Effects, go to Shadow option. Apply a shadow, offset right. Then from the Glow section, apply Glow 5-point lavender effect. Adjust the rounded corners using the yellow handle for a smooth layout. Select the chart and the bubble callout. Then right-click and under Group choose Group to group them together. Resize them slightly and position them in the center. Now switch to full screen mode to view the final layout. This is how you build a clean, dynamic, and truly professional performance gauge chart in Excel, with all emoji-filled ratings and the needle coming together like a complete dashboard masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.